Hi everyone, welcome to Cocktails and Dreams. I'm your host, ZACK PROHASKA. Now I've been getting a lot of requests for more flair routines, for more show routines. So I'm going to put together another bottle tin routine for you guys. This is great for when you're doing a show for your guests, or if you decide to get into competitions and you want to get on stage, or if you're working in a flair bar and you just got a little extra time to throw around. This is a great little routine. It's also a little bit on the easier side. It's more directed for you beginner flair bartenders that want to slowly start incorporating more smoother transitions and a little bit more of an advanced level, more advanced level moves. So before I show you this, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at CD Bartending. I'm posting 1-minute tutorials pretty much every day, so let me know what you want to learn in the comments below and I'll make an Instagram video for you. Also, if you like this, make sure you like, you share, and you hit that little bell down there so you get notified when I post new videos. All right guys, so this is the routine for a show or for a competition, and it looks just like this. And now I'll break it down for you. All right, so here's how we're gonna do this routine. We're gonna grab both objects in a reverse grip like so, okay? We're gonna take our right hand, we're gonna throw one rotation with the bottle outward like this, and we're gonna do a hand spin with our left hand, okay? I'll show you again. We're gonna go 1, 2. Now once we do that, we're gonna rotate our body to the left. We're gonna do a 1 rotation with the bottle towards us and catch it by the neck, so now the neck is facing forward, okay? I'll show you again. 1 rotation, catch. Okay? Okay, so we'll start again from the top. So we're gonna go 1 rotation outwards, we're gonna do a hand spin, we're gonna rotate to the left, we're gonna do a 1 rotation towards us. Now here we're gonna do a swipe through, and we're gonna do an over the shoulder, but I want you to catch the body of the bottle just like this, okay? I'll show you again. We're from here, we're gonna do a swipe through, we're gonna do an over the shoulder, catch the body of the bottle, okay? We're gonna do a swipe through, and now we're gonna throw this bottle over our left shoulder, and we're gonna catch it behind the back with the same hand, and it should look like this, okay? From our right hand, over our left shoulder, behind our back, and catching in the same hand, okay? I'm gonna start from the very top, okay? So we're gonna grab our bottle, and we got our tin, we're gonna throw the bottle 1 rotation out, we're gonna do a hand spin, we're gonna rotate to the left, we're gonna throw the bottle 1 rotation towards us, we're gonna add a swipe through, we're gonna throw the bottle over the shoulder, catching the body of the bottle, we're gonna add a swipe through, we're gonna rotate our body to the right, creating that movement, that motion, and we're gonna take this bottle, we're gonna throw it over our left shoulder, catching it in the same hand behind the back. Now after we've caught the bottle behind the back, I want us to do a big swipe through, okay? We're gonna adjust our grip by grabbing the neck of the bottle while we're going around our head. So as we're going around our head, we're gonna let go for a split second, and we're gonna grab the neck of the bottle. We're gonna pass our left ear, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna extend our arm, we're gonna go into a swipe through, but we're gonna add a flourish. Now what a flourish is you're gonna rotate the bottle towards you like this, and we're gonna set up for that axe throw, okay? So we're from here, we threw the bottle behind our back, okay? We're gonna do a big swipe through. We're going to adjust our grip, grabbing the neck of the bottle, going around our left ear. We're going to extend our arm, we're going to swipe through, we're going to add the flourish, and now we're going to snap our wrist and go into an axe throw and nest it into our tin, okay? I'm going to start from the very top, and we're going to go really slowly together, okay? So we're going to go 1 toss out, hand spin, we're going to rotate to the left, we're going to throw 1 rotation towards us, we're going to do a swipe through, we're going to do an over the shoulder, catching the body, swiping through, rotating at the waist to the right. We're gonna throw this bottle over our shoulder, catching it behind our back with the same hand. We're gonna do a big swipe through. We're gonna go around our head. We're gonna adjust our grip, grabbing the neck. We're gonna go around our head. We're gonna extend our arm. We're gonna add a swipe through. We're gonna add the flourish and snap our wrist and nest the bottle into the tin, okay? I'll show you again. 1 rotation out, hand spin, rotate, 1 rotation towards you, swipe through, over the shoulder, grabbing the body of the bottle, swipe through, rotate, throw the bottle behind the back, catching in the same hand, another swipe through, adjust your grip as you're going around your head. We're gonna extend our wrist, we're gonna swipe through, we're gonna flourish, we're gonna snap our wrist, and we're gonna get that axe throw into the tin. All right, I'm going to show you one more time with a little speed. Practice this routine, guys. It's great for shows. It's great for competitions. Remember, when you're doing this routine, it's an exhibition flair style, so you would want to have about 1 ounce to 2 ounces in your bottle. Try not to do it with an empty bottle like I just did here, but this is just an example. But make sure you practice hard, use it when you can, impress your guests, have fun, make that money, and keep flipping.